We are in the newest luxury ryokan in Kusatsu Onsen in Gunma Prefecture. Kusatsu Onsen is considered to be one of the three most famous onsen areas in Japan. And Kusatsu Onsen Kei opened just recently, about a little over a year ago. The rooms don't have a name or number, it's just the room. I guess this is the number, and it's also the room type. This is A01, and this is where we're staying. Kusatsu Onsen Kei has 7 total units, so it's a very small boutique ryokan. Kusatsu Onsen town, known for awesome hot springs, water, and the baths, but it didn't really have a high-end luxury property. And this looks like it's going to try to fill in the gap. Anyway, so A01 is looks like it's a junior suite type room. It's listed as 85 square meters. So you walk in, ooh, there's the sun. There's a sitting area here. Sorry for the bad lighting. And then this is, of course, it's new, so it's stylish. You can see there's the Japanese tatami room, but you can see that it's carved under where your foot is, so you can actually seat like you typically would in a chair. And it's going to be heated because it can get pretty cold in the winter. So of the 7 rooms at Kusatsu Onsen Kei, 3 of them, which is surprising and a bit disappointing, have in-room onsen. All the other guests either go out to the town to check out various baths, or there are 3 private rental baths, which are quite different, each of them, and very nice. So you can go in as a couple. It's not like a communal bath where it's segregated by men and women. It's just whoever gets there first, and then if it's available, then you can use it. So what is this over here? It's like a dungeon room. So this is a little, looks like a little work area. So you just come around. It's kind of a strange location to have it on the other side of the bedroom, but here it is. Okay, so anyways, this is not the best, the top category room here. We typically try to get that. At the time of booking, which was actually about 6 months ago, it had already been taken. And the top room is called Takasago, and I don't know since I haven't seen it, I don't know the difference between that room and A01. And Takasago is the only room with a name and not an acronym or anything like that. Maybe next time. So here is the toilet. So if you like something that's not quite old and more on the modern side, then looks like Kusatsu Onsen Kei will fit the bill. Of course, we have yet to have had our first meal, so it's still to be determined whether this is something that is worthy of our thumbs up. But so far, so good. So over here is the shower area. And then across the way is a open air bath, free-flowing, let me see how I can open this out. Free-flowing onsen. Yep, stays open. So this is the onsen bath. again, Kusatsu Onsen is known for its hot springs. This place actually gets its source from very close by, of course. There's two types of onsen. They call it the Bandai Kogen Gensen and the Jizo Gensen. This one is the Bandai type. Don't know how and why they got that name. And the private rental baths, which are free of charge to guests staying here, of the three, two have the Jizo and the other has Bandai. So we will probably try the Jizo onsen water, although the one with the two with the Bandai water onsen is supposed to be very, very nice as well in terms of the atmosphere. So this is what we're here for. It's not too far from Tokyo, probably about less than 2 hours door to door. So Kusatsu Onsen in Gunma is definitely a place if you just want to chill out, enjoy the hot springs, and hopefully good food, and it's a nice town as well. Kusatsu Onsen Kei, suite type A01. Hope you enjoy it.